So in the last part we did till here. Now after this we'll go 1, 2, 3. Okay. So from this position you should extend your right leg out, then in, out. Okay. Out, in, out, like this. Okay. So while you're bringing your leg out, you should also bring your right hand out, then in, out. Okay. Out, in, out, like this. Okay. Out, in, out. So let's do it again. Get into the previous position. 5, 6, 7, go. Out, in, out. Then after that you will go 1, 2. Okay. So for that you should keep your right hand in this mudra and do it like this. Bring it to the left and right like this. Okay. So while doing it you should also move your legs along with it. In, out, in. Okay. I hope it was clear. Let's do it again from here. Okay. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Okay, one thing you have to keep in mind is that the first step, while you're bringing your right hand and right leg out, this starts before the song. Okay, so this comes before the song, and from the next step, it goes along with the song. Okay, so the first one is before the song, then 2, 3, and 4, 5 along with the song. Okay, so let us do it again. Okay, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then from here you will go 1 and 2. Okay, so for that first you should extend your right leg to the right corner and move your body. First your right leg will go forward, then after that your body. Okay, so first leg out, then from hips to your head. Okay, you should bend back as far as possible. Then you'll go 1, then same towards the left side. Okay, while doing to the right, you should lift your left hand up, then while doing to the left, right hand up. Okay, so after this you will go 1 and 2. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now let's do it again from here. Okay, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now after this, your left hand will come like this in front of your chest and your right below it. Okay, you can either keep it below or above. Okay, as you wish. Okay, then you will take a turn. Okay, so for that your right hand will go below, then from there it will come up over your head, and while you're doing it your legs should also move along with your right hand. Okay, then you will take that big turn. Okay, so after this you will go like this, your leg along with your hand to the front, then both your leg and hand to the side, then turn on your right leg. Okay, turn on your right leg. So from there lift your left leg up, then turn on your right, then place it down. Okay, turn and place your left leg down. Okay, so let's do it again. From here you will go your legs and hand to the side, turn on your right leg, then you will pause. This pause. Okay, extend your left leg to the side and your hand should be on your legs. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you will go to the front, then your hand and legs to the side, then turn, right hand on your right hip, then left hand on your legs. Again from here, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn and pause. Now from the very beginning, okay? 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and step forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause. Feel, sit, rotate, rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn and pause. And that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you learn the choreography. Thank you so much for choosing to learn this dance with me. It truly means a lot. If you'd like to watch the complete choreography, I've uploaded both the normal speed and the slowed down versions on my YouTube shorts along with the song. You can use those to practice the timing and learn the steps. Thank you once again for all your love and support. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care and keep dancing. दाखिल दिल में हो मैं गई तेरी कल्याणी